Industrial systems never sleep. Neither do cyber threats. Legacy equipment, modern networks, expanding connectivity. One vulnerability can disrupt production, damage reputation, or compromise safety. Serious protection requires serious expertise. ISA develops the ISA IEC 62443 standards, the global benchmark for industrial cybersecurity. Train with the organization that built the framework trusted by asset owners, suppliers, and governments worldwide. The ISA IEC 62443 Certificate Program guides you through the full cybersecurity lifecycle. Fundamentals, risk assessment, secure design, long-term maintenance. Complete all 4 certificates and earn the ISA IEC 62443 Cybersecurity Expert designation, a credential recognized across the industry. Need to move faster? The IC48 Fast Track course delivers advanced content in 5 focused days. Build expertise that protects operations. Gain credibility that advances your career. Learn from the source. Register today at isa.org.